XRP is currently one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, and it may have significant untapped potential. But why will it be difficult to purchase in the future? Will it grow large enough to make it? Is it tough for investors to keep XRP in their portfolios? Is it worthwhile to invest in XRP? If you wish, you may if you want to learn everything there is to know about it. Stay watching this video. Hey guys, have you ever heard about Stablepool? If you own XRP and are interested in making constant money on exchanges like 1inch, Uniswap & Co., then this website is perfect for you. It offers you the chance to deposit your cryptos, like XRP, to the site in order to add liquidity to those exchanges. After having to sign up to the site with your email, you can simply go to Top Up and select the currency and the amount of it that you want to deposit on the site. It will then show you the address. Simply transfer your XRP or any other currency to this address and mark I've paid. Now, you've got your money on the site. Now, go to Open Staking and enter as much of your crypto as you want. The site shows you how much of that amount you'll earn as interest within 12 hours. Usually around 0.1-0.2%. That's 2% in a single week. Think about it long term. Within 1 year, you'll have made 2x without any risk. So, the site is partnering with the Japanese crypto exchange TotoX.com, which offers a wide variety of different cryptocurrencies. You're still not convinced? Then you'll be surprised to hear that it has already gained a lot of institutional investors like Panther Capital, Fimbushi Capital, and Arrington XRP Capital, which helped the site receive more than $80.000.000 within the first week. And the best part, if you sign up until November 31st, you'll receive $50 in a random cryptocurrency for free. So, I don't know about you, but for me this sounds pretty convincing. Don't miss out on a fantastic chance to win a giveaway of 25 XRP tokens at the end of the month. Hello guys! Welcome back to XRP Hut, your one-stop shop for all things XRP and cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll discuss about XRP and why it'll be difficult to buy XRP tokens. So keep your eyes on the prize. You do not want to miss out on this. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and enable post notifications by clicking the bell so you don't miss any of our uploads, and also enter our prize. With the introduction out of the way, let's get started with our topic for today. As most of us are aware, Edward Snowden rose to prominence in 2013 by leaking highly sensitive information. The data revealed a slew of global surveillance activities and warned of the hazards of CBDCs. Snowden, a former CIA and NSA contractor, recently released an opinion piece on central bank digital currencies or CBDCs and proceeded to debate the dangers of their adoption on Twitter. CBDCs, according to the well-known privacy advocate, are the most current threat to arrive on the public horizon, with the purpose of ushering in the state's collapse. Ultimate Financial Authority, while commenting humorously on Dr. Eswar Prasad's opinion article. On July 20, 2021, a Cornell University professor of trade policy published an article in the New York Times. They portrayed the so-called digital money favorably. Furthermore, Snowden claimed that the Fed might utilize CBDCs to destroy every wage workers' savings in the country. Most of your money exists if they do not spend it quickly enough. Not as a folded piece of paper in your wallet, but as a steadfast entry in a bank's database requested and rendered on your phone. If someone else decides whether and how you can spend it, it's all yours. In addition, on October 9th, Snowden wrote an article in which he stated that the introduction of CBDCs posed a direct threat to financial independence and freedom. Snowden, a noted supporter of decentralized cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, warns that they should not be mistaken or compared to CBDCs, which are, according to Snowden, here to hold our future hostage. Snowden's revelations became an international problem, straining relations between the world's major powers. Snowden is currently residing in Moscow, Russia, under temporary asylum. According to the article, the NSA has been monitoring Bitcoin users' online habits since 2013 through a program known as Oakstar. However, the new leak suggests that the NSA is working with Money Rocket, another Oakstar subprogram, to identify customers who make a Bitcoin transaction. Snowden's Twitter message comes on the heels of news in recent days about the Biden administration's $6 trillion stimulus package, which aims to restore a better America. $6 trillion is wonderful for Bitcoin, stated Snowden, having said that Ripple's XRP is one of the market's most well-known, though disputed, cryptos. This is due to a mix of factors. Because of its use case in banking and the ambiguity as to whether it is a secure platform or not, the concerns surrounding its association with Ripple are so significant that it has come under the scrutiny of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. By market capitalization, XRP is the seventh largest cryptocurrency. XRP recorded a big gain. Trading volume increased significantly in the second quarter this year, reaching more than $4.4 billion. In comparison, its trade volume increased by 98% in the first quarter to $2.2 billion. You'll be astonished to learn that XRP is still one of the largest in the second quarter. The cryptocurrency market cap is the total amount of money invested in cryptocurrencies, even after overcoming all of the obstacles posed by the SEC litigation. According to Edward Snowden, the CBDC is a crypto-fascist currency that is primarily intended to deny people direct ownership of their money. In a tweet, Snowden stated that the CBDC will place the state at the center of every transaction that is in conflict with the virtual currency's core principles and protocols. While Bitcoin has seen remarkable growth this year, some people remain skeptical due to the lack of an underlying asset or official support. So, is it a good time to buy XRP? In 2021, Ripple is a smart investment. The SEC case is the primary event that XRP investors are watching. The SEC battle with Ripple has heated up in recent months. Holders of XRP are anticipating a favorable outcome. Ripple has a number of collaborations in the works, including work on central bank digital currency, remittances, and clean energy. Regardless of the outcome of the Ripple vs. SEC case, most Asian partnerships have remained together and have thrived. The brisk on-chain activity, combined with furthermore, the overall market expansion provides a potential for value appreciation. According to Crypto Bull, XRP is poised to go towards $2, and this bull run will take it to $10 and beyond. XRP coin is the only true choice for financial organizations and banks to make cross-border payments immediately, according to Oracle Times. Furthermore, it predicts that the price of XRP will rise by 2,000% in the future. Oracle Times feels that this will propel Ripple and the entire cryptocurrency space to new heights in the future. Ripple clearly offers several advantages that many other cryptocurrencies do not have. The fact that it is intended for and is being accepted by major financial institutions means that there is a lot of space for growth in Ripple, which usually translates favorably for the price of XRP, making it a solid coin to invest in. Investing in Ripple and HODLing has been advantageous for several traders over the long term. If you buy Ripple and HODL, the price may rise in the long run, as numerous analysts predict. What do experts believe will happen? Cryptocurrency may take anyone by surprise, and it has been gaining popularity for over a decade. The cryptocurrency market can shift in an instant. A single occurrence can have a significant impact. For example, when the coronavirus epidemic broke out in March 2020, the value of numerous cryptocurrencies plummeted. With more big financial institutions and startups working with Ripple to use its advanced technology to improve their products, XRP will continue to rise in value in the coming years. This is extensively emphasized. Ripple's price benefits from an increase supported by Moody's Investors Service, which stated that Ripple's price benefits from an increase endorsed by Moody's Investors Service, similar to what happened with Bitcoin. With such enthusiasm, the digital and assets price may soon approach $2. If you feel Ripple has potential and is likely to prevail in its SEC lawsuit, you can invest in XRP. Keep in mind that, especially when compared to other cryptocurrencies, it is a high-risk investment. Ripple has the potential to be highly valuable. International money transfers between banks can be time-consuming, costly, and complicated to set up. Ripple addresses these issues, and it has already established hundreds of collaborations. Among them are a number of big financial institutions. Ripple is also supported by a significant corporation that is geared on promoting and advancing it ahead. The majority of investments are based on the concept of risk versus reward. Do the potential gains balance the risk's potential consequences? Ripple is now dealing with the SEC, but its popularity among fans and confidence among traditional financial institutions, combined with the uniqueness of its technology. Ripple is a product of on-demand liquidity, which will be a priority in 2021, making Ripple an attractive investment. It would be preferable if investors explored including it in their portfolio. Ripple is doing well in general. Well, Unlike other altcoins that lack the network or Ripple net and rely on many money transfer businesses around the world, Ripple's technology serves millions of clients in over 55 countries. Ripple has a promising future in 2021. With the current changes in the XRP ecosystem and the overall crypto market, we could see XRP reach new highs. One of the fundamental differences that distinguishes Ripple from other cryptocurrencies is that there is no mining on the network. This makes XRP more appealing to some traders and suggests that it may outlast cryptos that must be mined. The bullish XRP price forecast for 2021 is $2.62. As previously stated, it may potentially hit $10 if investors conclude that XRP, along with popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, is a viable investment in 2021. That's all we've got for you today, fellas. What are your thoughts on this? Do you believe Edward Snowden is correct? Participate and let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on future videos, be sure you subscribe. Then, under this video, press the button and switch on the notification to be notified of the next video. Every time we post a video about the latest XRP and cryptocurrency news, you can watch our past videos about XRP or other cryptocurrencies until the next video is released. Thank you for viewing. We'll see you in the future video. Goodbye.